Whenever anyone asks about Islam, this is the answer. The Prophet was said that this deen, which means a way of life, this faith, is sincerity. And then the companions asked, they're like, sincerity to who? That's a very vague statement, Prophet. And he said sincerity with three things. With your Creator, with God. And if you don't believe in a Creator, then you can say like the existential transcendentalist power that governs all, right? And then with God's prophets, right? So sincerity in terms of their teachings and following them. And sincerity with your fellow creation on earth, man, animal, plant, everything. Inanimate object, animate object. Being sincere with them. Being sincere and being helpful and serving them. The Islamic faith is based around this principle. That sincerity is the key to pleasing God. It has nothing to do with how big your beard is, or how big your hijab is, or how long your pants. It has nothing to do with that. Those are part and parcel of the equation, but sincerity in the heart is the key. Islam focuses on purifying your heart and taking care of the impure and bad habits that human beings have. For example, backbiting, lust, right? A lot of the major sins that humanity kind of understands and agrees upon. Murder. So Islam's goal is to purify the heart from those things. But if you study it for yourself, just for humanistic purposes, you'll find that its goal is to purify the soul and purify the heart.